Hello friends, welcome to my channel Laddutricks. In this video I'll show you some interesting topic, about you'd be frustrated and irritating on someone who blocked your contact in their phone. And you would like to contact them with the help of call or SMS. Am I right? If yes, then let's start our video. If you're not clear about what I said, no problem. Just watch the video, you would understand. Just open any browser like Google Chrome or any other browser. Search or type for reverse lookup. And you'll be navigated to the main page. Scroll down a little bit. Here you can see a virtual smartphone display interface, by which you can call or send messages to anybody and also the one who blocked you. Calling is simple, just see how to call. Here the drill comes. Just call the person or friend or any other stranger who blocked your contact. And just talk to them and they will be amazed. That's all. Hope you like this trick. If you, then hit like content and share. And wait for the similar tricks for you. Goodbye. Success.